Q8099. What is the purpose of a gusset or gusset plate used in the construction and repair of aircraft structures? A. To hold structural members in position temporarily until the permanent attachment has been completed. B. To provide access for inspection of structural attachments. C. To join and reinforce intersecting structural members. The correct answer is C. The purpose of a gusset or gusset plate used in the construction and repair of aircraft structures is to join and reinforce intersecting structural members. Gussets are often made of metal and are used to provide additional strength and stability to joints where structural members meet or intersect. They are typically attached to the members using rivets, bolts, or other fasteners to create a strong and rigid connection. Gussets play a critical role in distributing loads and preventing stress concentrations at the joint, thereby enhancing the overall structural integrity of the aircraft. Q8100. Select the alternative which best describes the function of the flute section of a twist drill. A. Provides a channel for cooling oil to be delivered to the cutting surface. B. Forms the area where the drill bit attaches to the drill motor. C. Forms the cutting edges of the drill point. The correct answer is C. The flute section of a twist drill is responsible for forming the cutting edges of the drill point. It provides a channel for the removal of chips and helps in the efficient cutting of the material. Q8101. How many MS20470 AD-4-6 rivets will be required to attach a 10-inch by 5-inch plate, using a single row of rivets, minimum edge distance, and 4D spacing? A. 56. B. 54. C. 52. The correct answer is A. To calculate the number of rivets required, we need to consider the spacing and the dimensions of the plate. The given rivet is MS20470 AD-4-6, which means it has a diameter of 1/8 inch AD and a grip length of 3/8 inch 4/6. Since the rivets are spaced at 4D, 4 times the diameter, and we have a single row, we can calculate the number of rivets using the formula. Number of rivets equals length of plate / rivet spacing plus 1 length of plate equals 10 inches rivet spacing equals 4 times the diameter equals 4 * 1/8 inch equals 1/2 inch number of rivets equals open parenthesis 10 divided by 1/2 close parenthesis plus 1 is equal to 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Therefore, you would need 21 MS20470 AD for -6 rivets to attach the 10-inch by 5-inch plate. Q8102. On a semi-monocoque fuselage, the skin is reinforced by longitudinal structural members called A. Beams and struts, B. Longerons and stringers, C. Formers and bulkheads. The correct answer is B. On a semi-monocoque fuselage, the skin is reinforced by longitudinal structural members called longerons and stringers. Longerons run longitudinally along the length of the fuselage, typically on the upper and lower surfaces, and provide structural strength. Stringers are smaller longitudinal members that run parallel to the longerons and help to stiffen the skin. Q8103. Shallow scratches in sheet metal may be repaired by A. Burnishing, B. Buffing, C. Stop drilling. The correct answer is A. Shallow scratches in sheet metal can be repaired by burnishing. Burnishing is a process in which a smooth, hard tool is rubbed over the surface of the metal to smooth out the scratches and restore the finish. It helps to remove the surface imperfections without removing a significant amount of material.